Hi there traders, and welcome to Trade the Structure and the 5-minute trading day strategy. So with another live trade on the Hang Seng for the 5-minute trading day, and you'll see I'm just setting up the levels at the moment, and then what I'll do from there is just set up the orders for the buy side and the sell side. And don't forget, it's a 1-to-1 trade. On the open, I'm only worried about a 30-point stop loss and going for a 30-point target. So I'll place in those orders soon, and then we'll show you how the trade plays out. Okay, you can see this is the final minute, if I'm not wrong. The final minute just before the market opens at 12:30 Sydney time, and you got this candle here. It's about 10 seconds before the open, and I've just got my finger on the trigger ready to put the sell order in there, but I don't want to go too early. I don't want to get trapped in a short if it turns around and bounces straight back again before my trade is kicked off. So there you can see I've just placed it in. The market's just opened, and luckily enough it just ramped up. But what you'll see here, it starts to pressure down. And then, look, at one stage I thought it was going to take out that high and, flush through the high, which I get a bit concerned when it's a downtrend, because sometimes I feel like it's going to flush and then, stop you into a trade and turn around and stop you straight back out again for a small loss. But as it played out, you can see that it's powering down. It triggered my entry short. You can see, so I've got an active trade in there at the moment. And then it won't be long until it actually, I think it gets down probably with this minute here anyway. And then it'll trigger me. I'm going for 14,727. So you can see it actually, it teeters on that level. It keeps pushing into 27, but it's got to go 27 offered on the offer side, not on the bid. And it's just pushing there, but someone was coming in, just kept buying. But it was getting sold into, which is good. It gives me confidence that, it's going to trade down. Once the buyers sort of clear out a bit and you get those opening buyers, you can see it keeps pushing into the low, and buyers buy it up about 10 or 20 points and then stop, and then sellers were coming straight back in. So let's just watch the rest of it, and we'll see. Hopefully this trades through in just a moment, and then we'll see it locked away. So you can see here, there you go, we just traded through the profit target. Did hit 27, it might have even hit 26, might have got 1 point slippage. So I'm happy with that little trade. Look, there wasn't under too much pressure at all, and you know that once it starts to pick a direction, once you can get that initial stop run, a lot of the times it can trigger you into the profit target, but then there'll be times when you've just got to wait and be a bit more patient and wait for that market to come to you on your profit target. So that's it. Thanks very much for joining me. I'll speak to you again soon.